Hello friends, I'm back again. July 24th, 25th. The prompts are bird and what's the next one? Tea. So, I'm also doing a theme in my journal of cats in the flower garden. Incorporating them with the prompts. This is lopsided. So, I looked in my stash. Oh, look what I found. Another rooster. A beautiful rooster from an old calendar of 2022. Now that's what a rooster is supposed to look like. Let's put rooster back in the rooster section. All right, I don't know where it is. I will find it. What are we doing here? We're doing bird. All right, I found a bird that I want to put in here. Because I'm going to put cats and flowers. And one thing about hummingbirds is they are up high getting nectar from the bird feeder. Hummingbird nectar. You can see them all throughout the summer, which is the season here at the moment. And I want them up high so the cats don't get them. And here's all the cats. And here's the lady in the tea garden. So I'm doing 2 prompts in this video. And this paper with little tea cups on it. Was I even in the frame for that entire time? Probably not. Okay, and tea. That way the cats can be in this picture too. Can be part of this picture. They don't have to be close to the hummingbird because cats and birds don't mix too well. Okay, look what else I found. Did I ever show these? The Tea Time magazines that I got for free. This beautiful teacup. And, oh, Princess Tea Parties. Books you can get. A little sweet tea. It's a whole magazine. Every month you can get. This one is there a date? 2011. Anyway, look what else is in the same magazine. Shoes you can buy. I've always wanted to paint on some shoes and then wear them out in the world. But I have not done it. And more teapots. Oh, and this one is the special iced tea issue. But anyway, I would like to put this in here. Maybe Elizabeth and Edward are going to Maybe this lady's waiting for Elizabeth and Edward. If you've watched my last videos of these prompts, then you know what I'm talking about. I really don't want to cut this picture anymore, so let's just make this a pocket, and then she can pop out and be the lady with the tea that lives in a teacup. There you go. She only comes out to visit her hummingbird friend. And her cats are always hanging out with her. Alright, that's the end of the video. I want to put these shoes on here too. Why not? These are the shoes she wears. A Bradford Exchange exclusive. Clipping images and gluing. Very relaxing. Yes. She lives with her shoes, her teacups, her cats, and her friend the hummingbird. There you go. Lovely lady. There you go, lovely. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Fabulous, fantastic day. I'll see you out in the next one. Bye.